Hello, Globetrotters. Today, we have a special journey planned to the mystical lands of Tibet. Imagine a place where the sky touches the earth, a land of stunning landscapes and vibrant cultures. Welcome to Tibet, the roof of the world. Known for its awe-inspiring high-altitude terrain and rich cultural heritage, Tibet is truly a paradise for travel enthusiasts. From serene lakes to towering mountains and ancient palaces, each corner of Tibet narrates a unique tale. So buckle up as we explore some of the most breathtaking sceneries in Tibet. Our first stop is none other than the world's highest peak, Mount Everest. This towering titan of nature, standing at an incredible 29,029 feet, is not just a physical marvel but a symbol of human resilience and ambition. Mount Everest, locally known as Sagarmatha in Nepal and Chomolungma in Tibet, is not merely a mountain. It's a spectacle of nature that effortlessly captures the imagination of anyone who lays eyes on it. Its snow-capped peak, standing tall against the clear blue sky, creates a sight so breathtaking that it seems to belong to another world. The beauty of Mount Everest is not one-dimensional, it changes with the seasons, each bringing out a unique aspect of its grandeur. In the warmer months, the sunlight dances on the icy peak, creating a sparkling spectacle that can be seen from miles away. As winter sets in, the mountain wraps itself in a blanket of snow, and the peak gleams under the moonlight, radiating a serene, almost ethereal beauty. But the allure of Mount Everest goes beyond its visual appeal. It's the challenges it presents, the stories it holds, and the triumphs it witnesses that add to its charm. It's seen countless brave hearts risk everything to conquer its peak, their footprints leaving a permanent mark on its icy slopes. Each of these footprints tells a story of determination, drive, and the indomitable human spirit. Mount Everest's majesty is also reflected in its surroundings. The journey to its base camp is a visual feast, with vibrant prayer flags fluttering against the stark landscape, yaks grazing on the rugged terrain, and the welcoming smiles of Sherpas adding a touch of warmth. The grandeur of Mount Everest is not just in its height or the challenges it presents to climbers. It's in the silence of its peaks, the whisper of its winds, and the unspoken stories it holds. It's a place where nature and human spirit meet, creating a truly awe-inspiring spectacle. A truly humbling experience, the majestic Mount Everest stands as a testament to the beauty of our natural world. It's a reminder that nature, in its raw, unfiltered form, is the most beautiful artist of all. From the towering heights of Mount Everest, we descend to the tranquil waters of Yamdrok Lake. As if a turquoise gem has been carefully placed amid the snow-capped mountains, Yamdrok Lake captivates the eye and soothes the soul. It's a patch of serenity in the rugged landscape of Tibet, a place where the sky kisses the earth and reflections dance on the water's surface. This breathtaking lake stretches over 72 kilometers, a vast expanse of pristine water that changes color with the passing of the day. In the early morning, the lake is a soft shade of blue, reflecting the first rays of the sun. As the day progresses, the water transforms into a stunning turquoise, a color so vibrant it seems to have been borrowed from the sky itself. As evening descends, the lake takes on a deeper hue, reflecting the colors of the sunset in a mesmerizing display. But Yamdrok Lake is not just a feast for the eyes. It holds a deep significance in Tibetan culture. It's considered one of the 3 holy lakes of Tibet, a sacred place imbued with spiritual energy. Tibetan people believe that the lake is the transformation of a goddess, embodying divine power and protection. It's a place of pilgrimage where people come to seek blessings and find peace. Surrounded by snow-capped mountains, the lake is home to a diverse range of wildlife. From migratory birds to yaks grazing on the nearby grasslands, the area is teeming with life, adding another layer of charm to this picturesque setting. Yamdrok Lake is a testament to the beauty and diversity of Tibet's landscape. It's a place where you can find tranquility amidst the rugged mountains, where the air is crisp and the scenery is breathtaking. It's an oasis of calm, a place where you can pause, breathe, and simply be. Yamdrok Lake, a serene jewel nestled among the mountains, offers a tranquil escape like no other. Next, we journey to the heart of Lhasa, to the iconic Potala Palace. Standing tall, a beacon of Tibetan culture, the Potala Palace is an architectural marvel that commands attention. The palace is a consummate blend of art, religion, and architecture, built on Marpori Hill over 13 stories high. It's not just a palace, but a city within a city. With over 1,000 rooms, it was once the winter residence of the Dalai Lamas. The Potala Palace is divided into 2 sections, the White Palace and the Red Palace. The White Palace, once the abode of the Dalai Lama, is a labyrinth of hallways and rooms, a testament to the grandeur of Tibetan royalty. The Red Palace, on the other hand, is the spiritual heart of the palace. It houses several chapels and shrines dedicated to past Dalai Lamas, adorned with stunning murals that narrate tales of Buddhist teachings and the history of Tibet. This majestic palace is not merely a structure of bricks and mortar, it is a symbol of the enduring spirit of Tibetan Buddhism and the resilience of the Tibetan people. Every inch of the palace is imbued with history and tradition, from the ancient scriptures housed in the Grand Library to the sacred stupas that hold the remains of past Dalai Lamas. The Potala Palace is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a journey into the heart of Tibetan culture, a walk through corridors echoing the whispers of ancient tales, and a step into rooms that have witnessed the ebb and flow of Tibetan history. It's an opportunity to be part of a tradition that has withstood the test of time and continues to inspire awe and reverence. A visit to Potala Palace is a step back in time, a chance to immerse oneself in the rich history and tradition of Tibet. Our final stop in this journey is the most sacred site in Tibet, the Jokhang Temple. A marvel of Tibetan architecture, the Jokhang Temple stands as a testament to the rich history and culture of this high-altitude region. Its foundations were laid in the 7th century under the reign of the Tibetan king, Songtsen Gampo. Each stone, each carving, each pillar of the temple tells a story of faith, of devotion, and of a civilization that has weathered the sands of time. The temple's design is a harmonious blend of Indian, Nepalese, and Tibetan architectural styles. The golden roofs gleaming under the sun, the intricate murals adorning the walls, and the scent of burning juniper incense create an atmosphere that's both humbling and awe-inspiring. But it's not just the architecture that makes the Jokhang Temple sacred, it's the spiritual energy that pulses through its corridors. This is the heart of Tibetan Buddhism, the ultimate pilgrimage destination for devout Buddhists. They come from far and wide, braving the harsh terrains and high altitudes, their faith unwavering. Their journey culminates at the shrine of the Jowo Shakyamuni, the life-size statue of the 12-year-old Buddha, believed to have been blessed by Buddha himself. The sight of the believers prostrating in deep reverence is a humbling spectacle that leaves a lasting impression. The temple is also a place of peace, a sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of life. The rhythmic chants of the monks, the flickering butter lamps, and the calm serenity that pervades the air instill a sense of tranquility that's hard to describe. It's as if time slows down, allowing you to pause, reflect, and connect with your inner self. Jokhang Temple, with its ancient architecture, religious significance, and the sense of peace it offers, is more than just a place of worship. It's a living testament to the resilience and faith of the Tibetan people. It's a place where spirituality and culture intertwine, creating an experience that's both enriching and enlightening. Jokhang Temple, a beacon of spirituality, truly captures the soul of Tibet. And with that, we come to the end of our virtual tour of Tibet's best sceneries. We've journeyed to the majestic Mount Everest, standing as a testament to the breathtaking beauty and grandeur of nature. We've wandered by the tranquil Yamdrok Lake, a serene sight to behold, a chance to pause and ponder the wonders of the world. We've marveled at the mystical Potala Palace, a symbol of Tibet's rich history and culture, and we've stepped into the sacred Jokhang Temple, a spiritual sanctuary that resonates with quiet strength and timeless wisdom. Each of these places offers a unique experience, a chance to connect with nature, with history, with spirituality. And while we've enjoyed this virtual journey together, nothing truly compares to the thrill of discovering these wonders in person. The crisp mountain air of Everest, the soothing ripple of Yamdrok Lake, the awe-inspiring architecture of Potala Palace, the peaceful atmosphere of Jokhang Temple. These are experiences that need to be felt, to be lived. So pack your bags, put on your explorer's hat, and set off on an adventure. There's a whole world out there waiting to be discovered, to be appreciated, to be loved. Where would you like us to take you next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to help our channel grow. Until next time, keep exploring,